Hello students, women, slaves, sati and laborers. Travelers who left written accounts were generally men who were not interested in the condition of the women in the subcontinent. Sometimes they took social inequalities as natural. For instance, slaves were openly sold in markets like any other commodity and were regularly exchanged as gifts. So there was the slavery. When Ibn Battuta reached Sindh, purchased horses, camels and slaves as gift from Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So what happened during the Middle Ages with the slaves? When he reached Multan, he presented the governor with a slave and horse together with raisins and almonds. Muhammad bin Tughlaq informed Ibn Battuta was so happy with the sermons of the preacher named Nasiruddin that he gave him 100,000 takas and 200 slaves. So slavery was existent according to Ibn Battuta. It appears from Ibn Battuta's account that there was considerable differentiation among slaves. Some female slaves in the service of the Sultan were expert in music and dance. Ibn Battuta enjoyed their performance at the wedding of the Sultan's sister at Delhi. Female slaves were also employed by Sultan to keep a watch on his nobles. Slaves were generally used for domestic labor. Ibn Battuta found their services particularly indispensable for carrying women and men on planquin or dola. So you can see one example of the work of the slaves as domestic labor. These are carrying men and women on planquins or dola. इस प्रकार से rich peoples को carry on कर रहे हैं. The price of the slaves, particularly female slaves required for domestic labor, was very low. It was very easy to purchase a slave. Domestic families who could afford to do so kept at least one or two of them. So every domestic family can purchase one or two slaves at low cost. Contemporary European travelers and writers often highlighted the treatment of women. Now we should know about the women situation as a crucial marker of the difference between Western and Eastern societies. Not surprisingly, Bernier gives about the practice of the sati. Bernier chose the practice of sati for detailed descriptions. Bernier chose the practice of sati for detailed description. He noted that while some women seemed to embrace death cheerfully, others were forced to die. Women, slaves, sati and laborers. However, women's life revolved around much else beside the practice of sati. Their leverage was crucial in both agriculture and non-agriculture production. Women from merchant families participated in commercial activities, sometimes even taking mercantile dispute to the court of law. It therefore seems unlikely that women were confined to the private spaces of their homes. So, women participated in commercial activities in merchant families. Sometimes they take mercantile dispute to the court of law. It therefore seems unlikely that women were confined to the private spaces of home. So they work other than domestic work. You can see keywords. Metrology is the science of the measurement. Hindu, ये बहुत अच्छा word है. देखिए बच्चों, the term Hindu was derived from an old Persian word used to refer the region east of the river Indus. इंडस नदी के ईस्ट का एरिया, इंडस रिवर के ईस्ट का जो एरिया है हिंदुस्तान कहलाया, और इंडू वर्ड इज यूज्ड फॉर इंडस. So you can see about the three travelers of the medieval period ए कंपैरेटिव इंसाइट, अल-बरूनी, इब्न बतूता, बर्नियर, 11th सेंचुरी, 14 एंड 17। देखिए स्टूडेंट से 300 साल के बाद का पीरियड, 11, 14, 17 सेंचुरी। अल-बरूनी फ्रॉम उज़्बेकिस्तान, मोरक्को से इब्न बतूता, फ्रांस से फ्रैंकोइस बर्नियर। अल-बरूनी ने अपना डिटेल अरेबिक में दिया, इब्न बतूता ने अरेबिक में और बर्नियर ने इंग्लिश में। अल-बरूनी किताबुल हिंद है, इब्न बतूता ने रेहला लिखा है और बर्नियर ने ट्रेवल्स इन द मुगल एम्पायर लिखा है। तो उस समय रूलर देखेंगे तो हम जानेंगे अल-बरूनी के समय महमूद गजनवी था और इब्न बतूता के समय मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक, और बर्नियर ने जो डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया शाहजहाँ और औरंगजेब के टाइम का दिया। इनकी जो कंटेंट है वो हम देख सकते हैं। यहाँ हम देखेंगे रिलीजन, फिलोसफी, एस्ट्रोनॉमी, सोशल लाइफ, लॉज, मेट्रोलॉजी, मेडिसिन, कास्ट सिस्टम के बारे में लिखा है इन्होंने। इब्न बतूता ने कोकोनट और पान के बारे में लिखा है, इंडियन सिटीज़ के बारे में, एग्रीकल्चर, ट्रेडर, कॉमर्स के बारे में, कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम, स्लेवरी के बारे में लिखा है। और बर्नियर ने जो लिखा है ओनरशिप ऑफ लैंड, काइंड्स ऑफ टाउन्स, आर्टिसन एटसेट्रा के बारे में लिखा है। सो दिस इज ए जिस्ट अबाउट द 3 tablets. So we hope you have learned lots of about the Barnier